Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today my topic is AI. No skills, no problem. Use AI to start earning online. Why AI is a game changer. AI saves time, helps automate work, and boosts creativity. You can run a business solo with AI tools doing content, design, and customer service. Online business models using AI. AI for content creation. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, product descriptions, captions, scripts. Sell content writing on Upwork, Fiverr. AI for dropshipping. Shopify. Use Durable AI or Shopify Magic to build websites and product pages fast. AI product research tools like Selfitron or Alice Shark. AI for graphic design. Use Canva AI or Adobe Firefly to create social media posts, logos, planners. Sell digital products like printables. On Etsy or Creative Market. AI for social media management. Use Lumen 5 or Pictory to turn blog posts into videos. Offers social media services using AI tools. Great freelancing niche. Tools you can start with ChatGPT. Content, business ideas, emails. Canva AI, graphics, presentations. Pictory / Lumen 5, turn text into video. Durable AI, make websites in 30 seconds. Notion AI, organize your business. Tips for getting started. Pick one business model. Don't try everything. Use free versions of tools first. Single quotes to wait to be perfect. Launch now, improve later. Join online communities for learning. Facebook, Reddit, LinkedIn. Conclusion. So if you've been thinking about starting an online business, but felt like you don't have the skills, time, or resources, now is truly the best time to start. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and website builders like Durable, the game has completely changed. You no longer need to be a coder, a designer, or a marketing expert to launch something of your own. These tools are like having a full-time team helping you completely free or for very little cost. Whether you want to build a digital product shop, start freelancing, launch a blog, or offer services, online AI can be your business partner. You just need to take that first step, explore, and learn as you go. Don't wait for the perfect moment because there's no better. Sentiment analysis. AI tools analyze customer reviews, emails, or calls to gauge satisfaction and respond proactively. Marketing and sales. Customer segmentation. AI divides customers into target groups based on behavior. Personalized recommendations, like Netflix or Amazon suggesting products based on user habits. Ad optimization. AI platforms like Google Ads use algorithms too. Manage bidding and audience targeting in real time. Finance and accounting. Fraud detection. AI systems detect unusual transactions and patterns. Automated bookkeeping. Tools like QuickBooks AI automate categorization and data entry. Forecasting. AI models predict revenue, expenses, and financial risks. Operations and manufacturing. Predictive maintenance. Sensors powered by AI predict when machines need service. Supply chain optimization. AI analyzes logistics data to streamline delivery and inventory. Quality control. Vision AI checks product quality faster and more accurately than humans. Human resources. Resume screening. AI filters applicants based on role fit. Employee sentiment analysis. Analyzes internal communication to detect dissatisfaction. AI training tools. Personalized employee development platforms using adaptive learning. Business benefits of AI efficiency. Reduces time spent on manual, repetitive tasks. Scalability. Systems can manage growing customer bases without proportional hiring. Cost savings. Less need for human labor in certain processes. Improved accuracy. Minimizes human error in data-heavy tasks. Better decisions. Real-time analytics provide actionable business insights. Enhanced innovation. AI helps design new products, services. For example, AI-generated art, tailored insurance plans. Common challenges and risks. Bias in AI. Algorithms may reflect human or historical biases if trained on flawed data. Privacy concerns. AI relies on data. Handling it responsibly is crucial. For example, GDPR compliance. Implementation costs. High upfront investments in technology and training. Talent shortage. Demand for AI specialists outpaces supply. Ethical dilemmas. Decisions made by AI may not always align with human values. Industries leading AI adoption. Retail, personalized shopping experiences, inventory automation. Healthcare, diagnostic tools, robotic surgery, patient monitoring. Banking and finance, fraud detection. Chatbots, risk assessment. Logistics, route planning, autonomous vehicles, warehouse robots. Telecommunications, network optimization, customer support. Telecommunications, network optimization, customer support automation. The future of AI in business. AI will be increasingly integrated with other emerging tech like IoT, blockchain, and 5G. Focus will shift to explainable AI governance, and responsible AI. Generative AI like ChatGPT and DALL-E will expand creative applications from content creation to product design. Advantages of AI in business. 1. Increased efficiency and automation. AI can perform tasks at much higher speeds and with greater accuracy than humans. Example, RPA robotic process automation in finance automates invoice processing, reducing time from days to minutes. Result, businesses save time and reduce costs associated with manual tasks. Cost reduction. AI reduces the need for large labor forces by automating repetitive and routine jobs. Example, AI customer service agents reduce the need for 24/7 human support teams. Long-term impact. Initial investment in AI can lead to significant operational savings. Data-driven decision-making. AI analyzes massive data sets to find patterns, trends, and insights. Example, predictive analytics in retail. Forecasts product demand, avoiding overstock or stockouts. Impact, better strategic decisions and improved planning. Enhanced customer experience. AI customizes customer interactions, improving satisfaction and loyalty. Example, Netflix uses AI to personalize content recommendations based on user behavior. Impact, higher engagement, more conversions, and increased customer retention. 24/7 availability. AI systems can operate round the clock without fatigue. Example, chatbots on e-commerce sites assist customers globally in different time zones. Benefit, constant availability improves customer trust and operational reliability. Scalability. AI systems can handle increased workloads without needing equivalent increases in human resources. Example, AI can manage 1,000 customer queries simultaneously, whereas humans can't. Impact, businesses scale quickly without proportional cost increases. Disadvantages of AI in business. 1. High implementation costs. AI infrastructure, software, and skilled personnel are expensive to acquire and maintain. Example, training a custom machine learning model can cost thousands to millions of dollars. Impact, small businesses may struggle to afford or justify the investment. Job displacement and workforce disruption. Automation leads to job losses, especially in repetitive and administrative roles. Example, manufacturing plants replacing workers with robots. Impact, social and economic challenges requiring retraining and reskilling programs. Thanks for spending time with me today. From one Pakistani girl in the USA to the world, stay proud, stay kind, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.